This is Jess from jesshuff.com. In this video, I'll show you how to embroider an oval nose onto your amigurumi project. For this tutorial, you will need 2 straight pins, 1 strand of yarn in the same color as the face, a yarn needle, and scissors. Using straight pins, mark each end of the nose. Adjust as necessary until you're happy with the placement. Thread the strand of yarn through a yarn needle. Remove the left pin and insert the needle into the same stitch. Remove the second pin and exit the needle through that same stitch, leaving an 8-inch, 20cm beginning yarn tail. Pass the needle through the same stitches until you have 5 parallel strands. Make additional passes and adjust the existing yarn strands until you've achieved your desired shape. Remove the yarn needle. Secure the beginning and ending yarn tails together with a double knot. Cut the ending yarn tail even with the beginning yarn tail, which is about 8 inches or 20 centimeters. Thread the tails through a yarn needle. Insert the needle directly below the knot and exit the needle through the back of the head. Gently pull the yarn tails so the double knot disappears inside the work. Maintaining light tension, cut the yarn tails flush with the surface of the work so the remaining yarn tails disappear inside the head. Your amigurumi project now has an adorable little nose. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be notified about my future crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching!